This is Thor, leader of the Nomads. A brash band of cocky young males on a mission to conquer new territory. This gang of four has staked a claim along the Luangwa River. They're settling in, dining on buffalo. Hundreds of these one-ton beasts gather to drink at the river. And the Nomads want a piece of this prime hunting ground. In their quest for territory, the aggressive males have left a trail of devastation in their wake. First, they attacked the Hollywoods, savaging Ava, the Pride's matriarch.
She's this beautiful female, and she's been really, really injured.
But the Nomads didn't stick around. They marched south along the river, scouting new lands. They've now left Hollywood territory and are entering land belonging to the MK Pride. Oblivious to the coming threat, the MKs are another 2 miles farther south, in their favorite spot by the river. The Pride is huge, now 22 strong with 5 new cubs. They hold some of the best lion territory in Luangwa. As the dry season continues, prey animals congregate by the river. The Pride takes full advantage. They're superb hunters. It's no surprise that the MKs have made this area the center of their territory, and why the Nomads might want to take this land over. Wildlife filmmakers Sam Davis and Nathan Pilcher are following the Nomads' rampage through the Luangwa Valley. Since their invasion, the Nomads have been calling and scent marking to broadcast their arrival to the MKs. They were last seen at the northern boundary of MK territory, mating with some of the MK females.
So we've literally just come across the 4 Nomads right on the road.
They've still got company. Sarabi and 3 other lionesses from the MK Pride are with them. The lionesses intercepted the Nomads as they headed into MK territory and seemed to be using their feminine wiles to keep the males at bay. It's thought female lions sometimes pacify aggressive males by simulating being inoestrous. It's likely no cubs will result from this. It's possibly just distraction mating. And so far, it's working. It's stopped the Nomads heading further south.
She's been constantly harassed by Thor over there. He's just not letting up and following her and following her.
But this clever delay tactic can't last forever. Sarabi and her sisters have been at it for nearly 2 days, and the ruse appears to be wearing thin.
We've been watching the Nomads starting to get a bit irritated.
The Nomads are showing no desire to make this a permanent affair. They're likely after more than just 4 MK females.
Now it's a question of whether these guys stay in this area and try and take it over.
While Nathan's occupied with the Nomads, to the south, Sam is looking for the leaders of the MK Pride, the punks, Axel and Mohawk. The two aging males have a monumental battle ahead, protecting the MKs against the oncoming nomads. Sam finds Axel on his own. Without his brother, he's vulnerable.
He looks really defeated and down. He seems to be soft calling for the rest of the MK Pride. It definitely doesn't sound like the call of this dominant male who's staking out his territory.
As joint leader of the Pride, Axel's role is to sire cubs, help with big kills, and protect the Pride's territory. As a defender, he's on shaky ground.
Yeah, it doesn't look too good for Axel. This could be because of the nomads pushing up, but you can see that he's feeling uneasy at the moment.
Success or failure often comes down to numbers. Against Axel, the Nomads have a 4-to-1 advantage. But then...
So Mold must have heard Axel calling him.
With the arrival of Mohawk, the odds improve. Two powerful leaders united by the bonds of brotherhood.
Just rolling around on their backs, greeting each other, lots of head rubbing. The bond between males in a coalition is extremely strong, stronger than that between a male and a female lion. So, yeah, brothers for life, really.
At 9 years old, the punks are past their prime, but the brothers are now fathers again. They've sired 5 new cubs. Cubs whose future depends on the punks holding on to this territory.
Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.